So for today's video, we will talk about the low pressure system. And for that, just keep watching. What is low pressure system? Low pressure system, or depression, as it's sometimes known, as an area of warm air. As we all know, warm air rises and cold air falls. In the low pressure system, the air within a depression is rising and convecting from the equator to the poles. Along the way, that air cools and falls to the earth. That cool air is creating a heavier air mass as it falls, referred to as a high pressure system, and this is all relative to the air around it. Moreover, because of the effect of the earth spinning on its polar axis, the direction that the air flows across the earth's surface during convection is affected by Coriolis. The spinning of the earth's surface means that the warm air, a low pressure system, in the northern hemisphere spins in an anti-clockwise direction. Cold air within a high pressure system spins in an opposite direction. In the southern hemisphere, the opposite is true. Next is the direction and characteristics of the wind that blows in areas of low pressure and high pressure are different. Around low pressure areas, rising air currents form, and around high pressure areas, falling air currents form. In low pressure areas, moisture-laden rises up and forms clouds, resulting in cloudy, rainy, or snowy weather. And around high pressure areas, the air descends, making it difficult for clouds to form. This results in clear weather. Temperate low pressure zones occur at cold fronts around 60 degrees latitude. First, cold air and warm air meet to form a stationary front. Temperature differences between the air cause ripples, and the rotation of the earth causes the low pressure system to move in a counterclockwise direction. Cold fronts and warm fronts form at the center of the low pressure zone. First, ahead of a temperature front, stratus cloud form, with light sprinkles of rain over a broad area. Between a cold front and a warm front, there are almost no clouds, resulting in clear weather and hot air temperatures. Behind a cold front, cumulus cloud form, resulting in showers concentrated over a small area. Temperate low pressure zones ride westerly winds and move from west to east. This is why a person located to the right of a temperate low pressure zone is able to view weather patterns preceding a warm front, between different fronts, and behind cold fronts. Lastly, the cold fronts move faster than the warm fronts, causing the fronts to overlap and form occluded fronts. As the warm air rises above the cold air and stabilizes, the temperature low pressure zone disappears. It takes around 5 to 7 days for a temperate low pressure zone. This is your vlogger, Belisa M. Cruz. I hope you all learned about the low pressure system. Thank you for watching. Keep safe.
They say you too tired, so but I think that I love you, mama.